Here's how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram and Facebook. In your Shopify admin, click Apps on the left panel and search for Facebook and Instagram. This is the official Meta app that bridges both platforms. Install it, confirm the permissions, and the app will open automatically on your dashboard. Log in with the Facebook account connected to your business page. This is a critical detail that most beginners get wrong. Using a personal Facebook account instead of your business account means your product catalog syncs to the wrong page and you cannot tag products in your posts. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before authorizing the connection. Once connected, your Shopify product catalog automatically syncs to Facebook and Instagram. This means you can tag products directly in posts and stories, letting customers tap through to your store and buy without leaving the app. It also enables Facebook and Instagram ads that pull directly from your product catalog, which significantly improves ad performance. After connecting, go into the app settings and verify that your catalog has actually synced. A missing catalog is the most common issue, and it usually means the Facebook account used was not linked to the correct business page. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.